Hello and welcome. I will be your dance instructor. I always follow this way for good pictures. You can trust my advice. It is good. No, my voice is not Russian. It is plastered into my soul. For my first lesson, my first advice is you do not want to be yourself because you suck, and that is why you come to me. First you want to loosen up your body. Loosen up to the best of ability. You are much loose now, yes? I can see it in your skin. The second step is to stride to your left and stride to your right. You can go backwards or forwards to make things interesting. For the next lesson, we will be studying how to control for the collapse of your bones. A quick reminder, if your skin starts to sing, stop. Consult your doctor, this probably isn't for you. Try your hand at big swervy motions. If you fear imminent bone collapse, stop. Once you master the baby stuff, you can try something pro. Make low-rising dance moves. Very good, you dance very well. I am proud of you. Now, please return to the shop so you may be properly rested. Powering down.